Welcome to Werks. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please like, subscribe, and comment. Today's video is about saw blade storage to protect the blades and the operator handling the saw blades. There are many saw blade protection ideas out there, but I wanted something fast and cheap. I used my laser to cut parts from 1/8 inch by 12 inch square plywood. This is a view of the top plate being cut. I cut the interior dimensions first, then I cut the exterior dimensions. I did speed up the video. After the top plate was cut, I then cut the bottom plate. There were no interior dimensions that needed to be cut, and the cut went faster. This portion of the video was speeded up. After the top and bottom plates were cut, I then glued the parts up and put some weight on the parts to help with adhesion. Here's a quick view of the finished saw blade protection and storage case. Thank you for watching Werks, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, and comment. Thanks again.